Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's breakfast recipe is very easy, delicious chicken sandwich. Take a frying pan, add cooking oil, 2 teaspoons. Boneless chicken, 100 grams. Ginger powder, a quarter teaspoon. Garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon, and mix well. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Add capsicum, 3 teaspoons, and roast in medium flame. After a minute, add salt, a quarter teaspoon. Red chili powder, a quarter teaspoon. Black pepper powder, a quarter teaspoon, and mix all well. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. Chicken mixture is ready and keep aside. Now take 2 bread slices, then apply tomato ketchup layer on breads. Let me know from which city you are watching our video in comments below. I will thanks to everyone. Take a pan, add butter, a half teaspoon. Put bread slices in pan and then add chicken mixture. Add mozzarella cheese, as per required. Oregano, 1 pinch. Keep bread slices on top and cover the lid. Cook 2 minutes in low flame. Flip the bread another side. Cook 2 minutes in low flame till mozzarella cheese melts. Remove from pan. Chicken bread sandwich is ready to serve with friends and family. It looks very delicious. You must try this recipe. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye, see you again.